So, getting ready for the deluge. Hanging out. Yes, that the lawn furniture was removed from across the way.
The black stuff is still there?
Black stuff is still there, the white stuff is gone. So Devere said she saw this sign go down. When was that, Devere? This morning? 6 this morning. But basically the street looks, I mean, here's the fire department. No action here. Here's the street.
Look how that birdhouse stayed up there.
What birdhouse?
On the fire, one of those lights on the second floor of the firehouse. It's got a birdhouse. See?
Oh yeah. Oh right, the birdhouse stayed up. There it is. Not too much traffic on the street. Here's the level of flooding doesn't seem to be too bad here. We're not near the water. Oh, here comes Michael Sabatino. Look what he's doing now. Okay, so this is Lafayette Street. Okay, over on the left, it's the fire station. We're to the right, across the street from the fire station. And then, oh look, there's not many cars over in the parking lot. Usually these things are full. And then,
why are they so empty?
And then when we go out here, we see that it's sort of been Lafayette Street is a staging ground for trucks.
What's this guy doing?
I don't know.
Maybe he's accepting too.
Yeah.
I wonder what it said on that police car.
So anyway, so here's the... Okay, now we can go out into the middle of the street. Oh, they're on both sides here. Okay. So these are sanitation trucks. I guess for picking up... Oh, here's some explorers out. Well, look at how quiet these streets are.
Are these like the cabs, or what are these kind of trucks?